Do you want to know how you can update or change your phone number on Draftkings? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can update or change your phone number on Draftkings. Go ahead and open draftkings.co.uk on any of your browser and log into your account. The next step is to hover around your profile and go to account information. After you click on account information, this login portal will come up for extra security, so go ahead and write down your login credentials and then click login. In a while you can see this type of page. What you need to do is go to phone number over here, and if you cannot change it, you can see on the login and security option over here. Scroll a bit down and you can see phone number. Go ahead and click edit phone number. And what you need to do now is write down your new phone number. So go ahead and select your country code and write down your phone number and click save number. Click save number again and you can notice the OTP code will come to your phone. So go ahead and write down the code over here. Make sure that you do it within 15 seconds because you must have to send a new code once again. So after you've written down the code, click verify and then you can easily change or update your phone number. So guys, this is how you change or update your phone number on Draftkings. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.